Sometimes you look at millionaires and they seem to have a laid-back life, and their success isn't built on complicated schemes, but on a simple, structured approach. They know that keeping things simple and staying consistent are what matters most. So why is trading made to seem so confusing? Do you really need to read dozens of books and spend years analyzing to succeed? Not always. And in this video, I will show you how to make 100 a day using just one simple pattern. Hey there, it's Agatha. I've been trading for 7 years now, and my win rate is 89%. I'm sure you've been waiting for something like this. Simple, clear, and something you can try right away. So let's get started. I'll kick off with a bit of theory, and then I will show you everything in practice. One area of technical analysis is price action, where indicators are rarely used. Traders mainly focus on levels and candlestick patterns. One of the most popular and rewarding patterns is the tweezer pattern, also known as engulfing or a reversal pattern. This pattern consists of two consecutive candles moving in opposite directions. On the screen, you can see an example of a bearish engulfing pattern. The second candle completely engulfed the first one, including its wicks, which is a key rule for this pattern. For example, in a bearish pattern, the second candle must close below the first. That's all you need to know to understand this strategy. So let's take another look at how it works. Here is a great example. A bullish engulfing followed by a bearish tweezer pattern, after which the price drops significantly. It's not hard to remember this pattern, especially if you understand why it forms. The market moves based on the actions of buyers and sellers. If there are more buyers, the candle goes up. And if sellers dominate, the price drops. In a bearish pattern, there are initially more buyers, but at a certain point, a strong seller enters with a large volume, and the buyers can't keep up. Other market participants start selling, which drives the price down. In the case of a bullish engulfing, the opposite happens. After seller pressure, a strong buyer comes in, bringing volume and optimism, causing prices to rise. The engulfing pattern is particularly effective at support and resistance levels, but that's a deeper topic. So today we're going to keep it simple so that everyone can understand and start trying it out right away. Who said that successful trading has to involve complicated strategies? Spending hours analyzing and still only losing isn't success. It's working against yourself. In this video, you will see how just one pattern can make things more manageable. So let's break it down and get results, not headaches. And if you want more information, advice, or help, head over to my Telegram channel. Over 20,000 people are benefiting from the knowledge there and making an average of 895. The link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Now let's see how to work with the tweezer pattern in real trading conditions. I'll open a few sessions with explanations so you can see exactly how it works. Alright, we're already on the platform. I can see an engulfing pattern. Everything's clear here. I notice that the green candles are getting smaller, and then a red candle engulfs the green one. So I go down on the pullback. Great, let's move on. On the second chart, there is a large green candle that engulfs several of the previous candles. In this case, I'm going up on the pullback since I see strong momentum. Yes, that's right. Let's run another session to nail down what we've learned and show you again how this works. On the third chart, we have another engulfing pattern. The green candles are getting smaller, and then a red candle engulfs the previous one. I'm going down on the pullback. Excellent, just as expected. There are two key rules for any candlestick combination. It must appear at a strong level or give a signal in favor of the trend. If you stick to these rules, your results will improve. As you can see, 3 sessions gave me great results, which means you can achieve the same too. To get started, I invite you to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Yes, you can trade with a simple strategy without diving too deep into the market. But experience shows that those who don't engage with the market either quit trading or lose savings over time. This happens because relying on just one pattern can get boring and other patterns may not be fully understood. So to avoid this and become a successful trader, you need the support of a community with educational materials, guides, and analysis of popular and powerful strategies. All of this is available on my channel. Every day I share what I do, and my subscribers receive notifications directly on the channel. The most satisfying part is seeing them succeed and sharing reviews like this. Returning to the Twizzler pattern, here are a few tips. First, test any pattern on a demo account to learn how to quickly spot signals and practice without losses. But don't stay on a demo account too long, as it may dull your instinct for risk. Gradually move to real sessions with minimal amounts. And second, create a trading plan, your personal guide for trading properly. Outline each step from setting up the platform to entry rules and emotional control during sessions. I cover all of this in my videos, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything important. Even better, head to Telegram, where you will get all the updates first. For example, all these tips, along with materials and support, are already on my Telegram channel. They are waiting to help you become a better trader and achieve results faster than if you try to do it alone. The link is in the description and in the first pinned comment. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on your progress, learn from every step, and don't forget to be patient. Your dedication and hard work will definitely pay off. Good luck!